on the edge of the workshop floor. Tell when we stop. Tell when we stop.
I need to film this. Look on the screen.
I'm filming it.
Keep going so that wheel is right on the edge, but don't let it go off the edge.
Well, you can move
Actually, it could go off the edge ever so
What's
slightly.
the whole idea of this is that it was a projector?
Move this back a little bit.
Yeah, I've asked Will for a projector.
Right, are you going to bend that?
Yeah, but we...
No idea.
Oh yeah, true, yeah.
The whole idea was to see how it...
Right
Well,
there.
one of the ideas was to see how it flows as well.
Yeah.
Why am I out here?
Right.
I'm going to get
And got supports there.
Right, so the first job is we need to tilt it so that it's just on the edge, so the water isn't pouring out, so it's just on the edge like that. So block it, somebody block it while we're holding it. While me.
God, it's colder than a witch's tit out here.
No, more, it needs to be a little bit higher.
But the drop's in deeper.
Oh, whoops!
Oh, no! Why are you getting me wet?
Block is in. No,
I blocked this lever.
Hang on, to you. Hang on.
well, a little bit more.
I think that'll do, because we're going to put more water in.
Just a gnat's cock. Yeah, but I was trying to save, like, make life easy.
Hang on. There you go.
There we go. Right.
Prime.
Prime. Right. Where's my pump? It's over here.
That's not a pump, Andy, that's a bucket of water.
Is this going to work?
Probably not.
We might need a bit more tilt on it.
Or just keep filling it. We've got enough buckets.
Yeah, one more bucket.
No. Probably that's for you. No offence or anything, but it's bound to work.
Where's the water going? I can see the weight of the water sitting on that front piece.
Is that front piece bending at all?
Not yet.
Oh, it's going to go on that edge.
Yeah, it's kind of, this side's higher than that side.
Only by a bit though. We need to. This is what I was saying about making it like uber special level.
It's just teetering at the edge.
Can't be far off now.
Right,
Hang on.
does someone want to refill
Hold
a
on,
bucket?
hold on.
Go on, Andy.
If I do that.
Oh, let's go back.
Sorry, go through it green, so we can...
No, I like splashback.
Is that front brake on? Do you want to?
Water, go!
I need some water.
Quite get lifted. Nice.
Tell you what, drop the whole thing off the way.
That's it.
Shout.
Did you guys reach from there for the brake on?
What?
Yes, it's just going to
Hang on,
slide.
we pull the water, we pull
There
the...
isn't a brake to put on.
No!
There isn't a
There's
brake.
no brake.
There's no brake.
Alright, we'll just have to hold it.
This
You
brake's
two
on back here.
want to hold it?
Right, Sam.
Do you two players want to? That's good because there's
You
less
go get
water.
water, you can
There's
hold
less water
I'll
in
hold
there
it.
now. That looks what more leveler to me.
What? Remember the sinking here as well, boys.
That looks better actually, doesn't it?
It's a lot
Done
flatter.
From my side.
It's a lot flatter in it.
Right, come here.
Start.
No.
Oh, is it? We're right at the limit there, aren't we?
We're on the cusp.
I'll go and get some more water.
The boys are doing. The boys
Don't
are
nudge it. Oh, that's good because it means that we're just playing with the angle here. Get more of an angle, which means use less water.
Yeah.
How much will a pump?
So wet.
How much will a pump?
So wet.
There we go.
How much will a pump?
I don't know.
No
this,
idea.
This thing. So what we need to do is the bit about this is how much water do we need
In the bottom.
for it to tip the balance?
Well, it's going over there, isn't it?
It's coming over a little bit.
Only a little bit, on several points, but not the whole way along.
Yeah, that's okay though.
It won't make a...
So it needs to be more. It needs to be more. Like, so if I let it tip some more, how's that?
Yeah.
That's quite a lot of water. See how it tips it out.
Sound in
Yeah.
it. It's kind of definitely, yeah.
I'm kind of cheating too.
If everything is what is it?
More water! Go! More water!
Hang on, I've done one. You can do it.
More water! Where's the other bucket? There's three buckets!
There's three buckets.
There's three buckets! Go!
We completely lost count now. How much?
And now you're
Yeah,
saying,
look at how much water.
I think
Look how much water's coming out that pipe. So we need
That's a lot of
we need
water.
that kind of flow, don't we? So a pond pump is never going to pump that much water.
2 pumps.
One hell of a fish pump.
How's that? Is that about right?
Nathan's got a pump downstairs. Let's go get that.
No, it's not really working properly.
Yeah, go to maintenance.
Is it working? I don't know.
It is.
Just pull it. If you pull it tight, Pull it taut, that way it goes down. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah.
There we go, that's it.
As long as it's taut, it will get a better. Yeah.
That looks really good.
Bloody hell.
Start doing the singing in the rain.
I've got 4 into a video, but I'm killing me. Could flight cases get wet?
Yeah,
I hope so. A bit late now, isn't it?
yeah, the flight cases go away. It's only aluminium and timber, so.
Oh, that's okay then.
Right, Jones. Don't you wish you had a waterfall now in your show?
Enjoying watching you. Enjoying how excited the students are about watching water.
All our lessons are this exciting though, Dan. This is what it's about. Where's Ofsted now?
To get one in your show.
There's apparently HE people walking by. Where are they? There's
Hello, where's the HE? Where's the HE review peeps?
Brainiacs or something. Poor man's brainiacs.
So Dan, where's your HE review people now? You know?
Did this need HE review person?
No.
Bill had him in the office for like 4 hours.
They obviously don't care then. No session, no. Will's running like a jack in a box.
Like a chocolate.
Right, Mark, just want to hold that film a while.
You hold it taut, and then I can get a good
But it
video.
will be taut. There's going to be weight over it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll all be weighted down the
And
bottom.
it won't be sticking to a flight case. Wait.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Ready?
Go.
You're going to get wet. Is that looking nice?
Yeah.
Like tank.
Yeah, that looks good.
Sounds nice.
It looks lovely.
Sounds like I need a pee.
I'm happy.
Looking forward to our date, guys. You are? Looking forward to our date. No, well, not really.
20 minutes.
He's got
Makes a
the
nice
wrong.
sound as well.
Yeah, it does.
Whole production teams want to go in the toilet every 5 minutes.
Hopefully that flight case is waterproof.
It'll be fine.
It's going to be absolutely massive.
Well, it's going to be about that size.
So that is kind of perfect, isn't it?
It's going to be wider than
What
that.
I need to do is time how much water I put
Is it?
in a time. I mean, what flows.
It's 2.4, that's 2 metres.
Oh, for God's sake.
Well, in the big blue one, there's 15. Yeah. That's 15. Andy, that's 15.
Says it on that sticker that you were looking at. About 2/3 of the way down.
That'll hold us. Show them right.
I wish I kind of got my coat.
Get proper close.
Is that about right?
Yeah.
10 seconds. Is that 10 seconds already?
I don't mind getting it.
Yeah, but your water would go anywhere. This is take the control.
That's really good. On your camera.
It's not going to go down the flight case, but yeah.
Right, it's cold now, guys. I think we should just dip it.
You're alright there, Elaine.
I'm good.
I'll go ahead.
No, I want to wait for the pump. Come and stand inside for a minute and wait for the pump.